Luke, your grandma almost got robbed this past Christmas. It was pretty scary stuff. What happened? Can you set the situation up for us?
Yeah, so my grandma came home a couple of days before Christmas, I think it was, in the evening, and found that one of her back patio lights was on. She definitely knew it wasn't her. A common new technique for robbers to scout out if a house is vacant or not for the holiday season is to leave a back light on, and come back a couple of days later and the light's still on. Then the person hasn't seen it yet, meaning they haven't been home for a while. And if they haven't been home the day before Christmas, they're likely not going to be home for Christmas itself.
So I'm guessing that these burglars have not taken a probability in a stats class, but they're really using probability in their favor. They are working with conditional probability rather than unconditional probability by applying a binomial test to a situation that's likely to go unnoticed. Explain that.
When we talk about conditional probability, we talk about it as the probability of A given B. What's the probability that the person's home for the holidays given or knowing that their porch light has been on for the last couple of days?
In some ways, we're always doing this all the time, right? Like you want to ask something of your parents and you test the waters, right? You sort of, hey, how are you doing? How's your day been going? Whenever you do that, you are effectively applying conditional probability. Yeah, just a couple hours ago, you were asking me how I was doing, and then you asked it. You really did have to record these videos.